Do you suffer from hiccups right now? Is that what's plaguing you? Have you come to this video in search of answers? Well, let me tell you. I have the cure for hiccups, and I will bestow it upon you and help you get through this difficult time of hiccuping. And I'll show it to you now. So the answer lies within this glass of water. And I'm just going to tell it to you straight instead of sugarcoating this. All you have to do to cure your hiccups is hold your breath for 12 seconds and rhythmically sip, very small sips, for those 12 seconds. So you don't want any of this. No, you don't want that. You just want to take the smallest amount of water in that would make you gulp, but no like chugging of anything, okay? So just like this. Ready? Here we go. And you're gonna be cured in 12 seconds. Ready? Okay, don't be alarmed. Just ask yourself, do you still have hiccups? If you do, then maybe you did it wrong, because this always works. And I'm sure with practice, you'll get it. You'll be able to cure hiccups every time, I guarantee you. And if something else works for you, then I guess you can do that. But time and time again, I've recommended this to people, and they're always so freaked out when it works. So now you guys can go tell all your friends, send them this video, cure them, help them get through this time. My hair, it looks insane. That was a bit of an accent for you. You know, let me just try to control this. Okay, I hope this is recording. Okay.